Today I'm going to have a official second long ride with Juanito, a Yamaha PG1. I will be with my brother-in-law who is riding on his PG1 also. We are going to San Fernando, Pampanga for breakfast and last ride. You know, I am not an expert when it comes to motorcycles and stuff. I don't do expert reviews. I just enjoy my motorcycles, adventures, rides and kain. You know, I was a late bloomer. I started riding at 21 years old. Yung scooter ng father-in-law ko pa ang nagamit ko. I practiced with it and after I think 3 years, I had my beloved XRM. Pero nabenta ko din after 3 or 4 years.
Gayahan, di na kailangan pang pahirapan sa isang ngiti. Tulig na ang kiliti, kahit sa scooter lang palaging sumakay. Okay lang basta.
Then fast forward in 2019, I think I bought my first Vespa GTS 150. Hindi nagtagal sa akin at nabenta ko din agad. Sayang, rare na daw ngayon yun.
Okay lang basta't panay mayroong pinupurot. Wala nang hanapin, wala nang pipilitin. Dahil mababaw lang ang kaligayahan, di na kailangan pang pahirapan sa isang ngiti. Huli na ang kiliti.
Then, nagkaroon ako uli ng Vespa Sprint 150. Andito pa rin naman siya at nagagamit ko pa din. But what caught my attention last year talaga itong PG1. 115cc, pogi, and it suits me because I'm not really into speed. Well, for now. So ano bang meron sa pagra-ride? For me, my scooters are not just motorcycles or riding machines. They are my time machines.
Kailangan pang pahirapan sa isang